Of all the super maximum prisons in all the world. You have to walk into mine.
What's a heps?
Oh my. You look like...
Gross.
I know, right. I know, right. Today was arm day. That's why I'm looking extra swole.
Ew.
So, to what do I owe the visit?
What do you know about MacGuffinite?
Oh, MacGuffinium fictitium.
Can we move this along?
Patience, Diane.
And that is...
Did you forget? I'm sitting in prison for your crimes.
I am not giving you a pardon.
I have a better idea. Would you like to play a game?
What do you want from me?
What sort of sick game do you want me to...
Backstabbing governors first. No, not there. No, maybe. Oh, so many.
Oh my... Goodness, can we move this along?
Patience, Diane. This is a game of subtle strategy and psychological endurance mastered only by the most cunning and sophisticated minds.
Ages 6 and up.
Thank you. What's going on? Why am I back?
I love it when a plan comes together.